它被竹子挡到了，他还看着我们吃哎。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chengdu. Today is the 8th, I believe, and I'm here at the Panda Base reservation and just checking out the panda. Even though I don't really like panda, I think they're annoying creatures that should have extincted long ago. I mean, they don't actually contribute to the ecosystem, and they're pretty garbagey. I think the only value is economic value, and they look cute. That's pretty much their only value. I think what kind of animal actually survives on bamboo sticks?
那个大熊猫还在抢镜啊！看没？ 拍几个近照，你拍了没？拍了。Take a picture.
嗨。
在这里。
这个地方可以拍很近。
来，那个黄思玉。
So, I think that's enough of these pandas over here. I'm gonna move out and find Marin. Where the hell is she? It's a lot of people, a lot of foreigners. Indians, Africans, whatever, whatnot countries. Everybody's from everywhere. It's ridiculous. It's a lot of people. Just here to see like really annoying pandas. I'm actually here more by obligation. That's why I'm ranting. You do have to wake up at like 6 in the morning just to get over here. And I've lost Marin. Oh, there he is. Excuse me. Excuse me. See how many people there are. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Marin, give us one of your rants. Actually, we can have your rants on the side.
You know, I kind of like pandas now.
What? I thought you hated pandas. I thought we're on the same side here.
But it's just so cute and cuddly.
Whatever happened to I hate panda?
I don't know. I guess I'm a softie. I saw it and it was like, oh, look at it. All it does is eat. And like, wow. Like, I mean, I like eating, so, you know.
Obviously, because you get like no nutrients from like you get like no nutrients from bamboo sticks. That's why you have to like
kind of
eat all the time.
If this enclosure didn't exist, these things would definitely have been extinct like a long ass time ago. They're not going to survive for much longer.
Yeah,
with, you know.
I give them like 20 more years.
I feel like bugs are really the most adapted animals to surviving capitalism and globalization. But
yeah,
you know,
panda, capitalism don't work together. Well, I guess they kind of do.
Yeah,
they would survive in capitalist world. In communist world, they probably would not survive.
But I mean, like, not that many are going to survive. Like, it's only going to be like, you know, 100 of them in these kind of places. And it's good. It gives people jobs. It attracts tourists.
Yeah. Pandas and capitalism definitely survive together. I don't think they survive in the communist world. No.
No. No.
Because, you know, capitalism will have to use pandas for economic value.
You know, yeah. When we get like more desperate for resources, we're not going to let any of this bamboo go to pandas. It's all going to go towards chopsticks.
Yeah. So bamboo for chopsticks or bamboo for panda?
Chopsticks.
Yeah, chopsticks.
They have a usage, you know.
We have a strange view.
Oh my god. They're so cute.
It's a lot of like people from all over the freaking planet just to see some dumbass panda bears.
You know, they're nowhere else though. Like, you can't just go to the zoo in Colorado and see pandas.
Wow. We have them in Taipei, I believe.
Oh yeah.
It's like 2 of them, and they just kind of like sit around and do nothing. They're not even as active. I took a bunch of pictures.
I took a video.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, and some pictures.
I took a video of your boobs.
Fucking nasty ass vulgar Canadian.
I've become like Americanized and become really, really vulgar and disgusting and perverted.
Yeah, I take full credit for that.
I used to be a polite Canadian who says sorry all the time, who apologizes for everything.
Did you like that stretch?
No, I didn't actually film your boobs,
Oh,
unfortunately.
wow, that's nice of you. How respectful.
Is that like a panda like mewling? It's like a panda sound.
Oh, is it?
What kind of animal sound is that? I'm not sure.
I'm such a like fan now. I like pandas now.
Oh, really?
They're so cute.
I thought you hated pandas. That's why we came
I thought
together.
that they never move. You know, they're cooler than sloths. Sloths really never move.
Hey, I'm into sloth, okay? Sloths are cool.
I know. You should get over it.
Sloths could like not move for the entire day. Wait, should go over there, that way.
You can't. There's like a mob of people.
Yeah, we have to fight through the mob. It's actually ridiculous. Ridiculous! Fight through a mob of international community. Hands on my wallet. Excuse me. Giant panda cub. Wait. I'm not even sure. Wait, where's Marin? I think I lost her. I need a map. I need maps. Anyways, I think that's enough for this episode of Panda. I'll make another one later. Alright, that's it. I'll see you guys later.